Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a DIY yarn rainbow. If you haven't seen these before, they are all over teacher Instagrams and Etsy sites, but they sell for over $15 to $30. I decided to make these myself, so I ran to Michael's and I bought my materials. For this project, you will need scissors, hot glue gun and glue, cotton rope, I bought the brand Bead Landing, masking tape, and yarn in at least 6 different colors. Now we need to cut our cords to the desired lengths. You want to now decide if you want a large or small rainbow. Here are the lengths I used for my large rainbow. For today, I'm going to create a smaller rainbow, so I'm going to use these lengths. Make sure you have 2 cords for each length. Next, cut your wire. You will only need 1 wire for each length, and you want to make sure that the wire is at least 8 inches smaller than your cord. Here are my lengths for my large rainbow and my small rainbow. Then, duct tape the ends of your cord. And simultaneously hot glue the wire and the 2 cords together. Once it's cooled off, we can begin tightly wrapping the cord with yarn. Now is the time to play a podcast or listen to your favorite music. I'm listening to Hamilton. After all your cords are wrapped with yarn, we can hot glue the cords together. This step is totally optional, but I wanted to hang my small rainbow on my door. So I decided to create a knot and then wrap it on my last cord before gluing it to the rest of the rainbow. Last step is to take off the tape and fluff our end pieces. Overall, this project took about 1.5 hours to make. For my bigger rainbow, it took about 2 to 3 hours to make. But I really like this project. I like the way it turned out, and it was really easy to make. If you want to recreate this project, here are my steps. Okay, that's it for now. Comment below if you want to see me recreate any other projects, and thanks for watching.